Welcome to GSTHero, E-Invoicing Malaysia. Today we are going to showcase you how you can generate the e-invoices using Excel template. So you have to register yourself on E-Invoice Malaysia portal, and once you register you have to sign in. Once you sign in, click on View Dashboard. You will redirect to E-Invoice dashboard, where you can see we have given multiple options. You can print PDF, upload invoice, create invoice, and there are also some bulk actions given, which are submit, download, delete. Using upload invoice, you will redirect to upload invoice screen. Here you can download the Excel template. So what we have done, we have designed one Excel template using the fields which are mentioned in LSGN. I'll show you how it looks like. So we have given all the details in sections. So there are section divided into buyer sections, supplier sections, shipping details, and then e-invoice details, and then item details. Once you add the data and upload Excel here, our system runs through validations. So here you can see the status is validation in progress. And once you upload all the invoices, you can see the some of the invoices have valid, some of the invoices have error as a status. So here you can see the error. You can resolve the error. Once you resolve the error, you can update and next. So on click of update, your invoice will be saved, and you can see the status is ready to submit. You can submit the invoices using the submit invoice, or you can select the invoices and in bulk action you can submit the invoice. Once you submit the invoice, as you can see, the invoices will be submitted to LSGN portal, and the status will be document submitted successfully, and the status will be changed to submitted. So after submission, on click on refresh, so you can see the status is updated to valid. Valid means the invoices is submitted successfully to LSDN authority. Here you can see long ID and UUID and e-invoice generation date and time. You can also cancel the invoice using this option. You can also download it in PDF, in JSON, in XML, or in Excel. So this is the process of e-invoicing submission.